Every Caribbean kitchen has its own secret ingredients, and this is mine. Today, I am showing you how to make the ultimate Jamaican green seasoning packed with fresh herbs, bold flavors, and that island magic in every job. Welcome back to KK's Kitchen and More. Today, we are going back to the roots of Caribbean cooking, literally. Green seasoning is that all-purpose blend that transforms any dish, like soup, seafood boil, jerk chicken, steamed vegetable, and my favorite, steamed fish. So let's get into how I make my green seasoning. These are the ingredients that I'll be using today. So I'm using some green pepper, I'm using my parsley, using some garlic, ginger, fresh thyme, onion, scallion, and I have some cilantro that I'm going to use as well. So I'll go about putting all these ingredients together. So here I am cleaning up my garlics. So one of the ways that I use to clean my garlic very quick, I just press them like that, and it's easy to clean. Okay, then I'm going with my onion. You can use the amount that you want, so that ratio. Here I am using 3. Cutting up my cilantro now. To everyone who's come along and read the words we wrote. We're humble and this don't take too long to be done. And remember, you can use it on whatever you choose to use it on, right? So I'm putting in a little ginger. I'm going in with 2 pepper, 2 green pepper, seed and all, and I'll be going in with a ripe pepper. You can use all green or you can use whatever color. Remember, you will do it to your liking. Here is my fresh thyme. I'm going to cut off the bottom section there. I don't need it in. And I'm going to do the same for the parsley. Here I'm going in with my scallion, and I'm just chopping them because I'm using my small container. If you're using your big blender, you don't even have to chop them. You can just go ahead and just break it and put it in the blender. And here everything ready to prepare. Okay, so I have my pepper and ginger, I have my garlics. I use a lot of garlics, so you don't have to use so much, but I use a lot of garlics. And I'm putting in some onion. The container will not hold all at once, so I'm just putting in, blend, and add as I go along. Just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all my subscribers, my members. Thank you so much. And for you that are watching me for the very first time, thank you for stopping by. If this is something that you like, I encourage you to like, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on the notification bell, that when I drop a video, you'll be first to get. And here I'm going in with 1 cup of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm going in with some pimento seed, and I'm putting in some parsley in. I'm also going to put a teaspoon of salt You know that salt help with preservative, okay? So that will help you to keep it longer. And I'm going to blend. And as I blend, I'm going to add the rest of ingredients. A simple thank you note to everyone who's come along and read the words we wrote. We're humble and we're grateful for the ride you take with us. And family, just wanted to know that I am now a part of the Amazon Influencer program, and so my link will be in the description. You can use my link to purchase from my storefront, or you can just use my link to do your regular purchase. Okay? And some of the equipment that I use in my videos is also on my storefront, so you can check them out. Of this spice, little of that fun. The cooking adventure. After all is blended, this is what my green seasoning look like. Check in here if everything is blended out. Yes guys, and it seems okay to me. You can make it as fine or chop it as big as you want, but this is how I like it. No water added, just oil. Okay, there you have it, our homemade Jamaican green season, bursting with flavor and freshness. Store in your fridge, use on your meat, seafood and vegetable, and thank me later. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for the authentic Jamaican recipe. See you next time. Stay tuned and keep the island flavor alive.